Good morning. Here's our storm team live right on our network, and we are tracking a cold front. Right now, it's just to the north of State College. You can see some showers ahead of that front. Most of the showers have dissipated here. They were a little stronger earlier over Mifflin, Juniata County, but now we're just seeing a plain old light rain shower headed toward Liverpool. Elizabethville, Herndon, you might get clipped with that. Thompsontown, it's almost out of your area. So behind this cold front that's sliding through this morning, the wind is going to pick up. We have a wind advisory now that has expanded through the entire Susquehanna Valley from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. So really most of the day we're going to be seeing these strong winds. Sustained wind speeds, they'll be coming out of the west about 20 to 30 miles per hour. You really see them strong here at noon. Strongest, I'd say, this afternoon, and then the winds will slowly die down this evening. It's still breezy to windy tonight and still windy tomorrow. Look at that, 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained. Tomorrow's wind speeds come out of the northwest. Here's our News 8 Storm Team forecast today. Clouds, some sun this morning. You might get that stray shower north. Otherwise, temperatures will be incredibly mild. By 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we'll be near 60 degrees. We stay near 60 this afternoon with some passing showers, the gusty winds, and then this evening, partly sunny and windy, about 54. We continue that downward temperature trend tonight, 38 to 42 degrees, partly cloudy. It's going to be windy, so it's going to feel cooler. And then tomorrow, morning clouds giving way to gradual clearing in the afternoon. Still windy, just not as strong as today. So tomorrow's highs, you're going to notice that change. No 60s, we're in the low 50s. Here's a look at your currents. A warm front lifted north overnight. It is right around Selinsgrove, Lebanon right now. Lancaster in the 50s, but other spots in the 40s. So most spots are really feeling like a summer morning. Weather and health update today. Our tree pollen levels are high, especially with that wind blowing things around. For the air quality, it is good, and the UV index moderate. Burn time 35 to 40 minutes. Storm Team Live Radar Network, cold front on the approach, and once that blows through, you will know it's here. Colder air spills in this afternoon. The winds really pick up, and we could see some passing showers. You see a couple here and there later on today. As we head into tonight, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, I think we'll have some morning clouds, but look at the clouds, how they retreat in the afternoon. And tomorrow's highs, even with the sun, about 10 degrees cooler. Here comes high pressure, which will finally help to ease the wind on Thursday. Thursday looks like a nice day, just a light breeze, plenty of sunshine, and temperatures popping right back into the 60s, which is typical for this time of the year. So today, impact day due to that wind. Tomorrow, we still have windy conditions. The gusts just won't be as strong. 62 on Thursday, 68 on Friday. How about 76 on Saturday? That does come with some showers, some thunderstorms later in the day, though. And that cold front should clear the area just in time for Easter Sunday, leading to a high of 62 degrees. So it looks like a nice week next week if the kids have off for break.
Yeah.
Really nice weather.